Hello everyone. Welcome to our video series where we will demonstrate the real-time conversion of scan data into a BIM model. Let's get started. In this session we will convert the existing structure of a single-family residence into an as-built BIM model. We have structured scan data along with real views of the building. Let's begin the process. We'll take a default template from library, which will be in feet and inches. The file which we have received is RCS. As you can see this, we have to convert this to RCP. So we have to open Autodesk Recap application and need to upload the RCS files which we have received from client. So let's start importing the cloud file. Here give the file name. Select all the RCS file. Here we can see all files have been uploaded and you will see all files has been merged. Let's save this file as RCP. Our file has converted into RCP. Now we'll load this RCP file into our Revit model. This is the RCP file as we can see. So let's go to Manage Links Point Cloud. Add and select the file. Open it. This is our point cloud data. Make a section. Point cloud has to match the levels. Go to any level, check the point cloud file. Let's go in section. Check the dimension from point cloud to match level. Here we are getting 3 feet 2 inches. So just move this to upper side to match with level. Here we have matched the point cloud to level. Go to elevation view and check the point cloud file. Now we have to check our scan is straight, means is in 90 degrees or not. Just take a detail line and check with angle is our scan is proper or not. Move the lines to any corner of the scan building and align the building, select scan and rotate with the reference line. No, it's look okay. We'll start modeling from here. Take a reference line and draw on scan. We'll take 6.5 inch approximate, as per the scan wall thickness. And make a section to check our lines are correct or not. Go to the section view and check it. Seems to adjust this, just select and move as per scan. Next we need to create a wall as per the reference line thickness. Take a wall of 6.5 inch. Make sure we have to rename it for a better understanding. Place wall on our reference lines. After placing the wall, go to the section view. But here we have to adjust the level too also. Take a reference line 9 feet 3 inches approximate. As per the scan wall heights, take a dimension of 9 feet 3 inches to match the scan and adjust the level. Let's go to 3D view and check our model is matching with scan or not. We'll have a shortcut for point cloud on and off. Go to keyboard. Type KS shortcut dialog box is highlighted in Revit model. And search for show and hide here. We'll keep one for on and off. By pressing one we'll have scan on and off. Also it will be easy for us. Now, according to reference lines, we'll start developing model. Make sure we have to check each wall in all families. It has to be as per scan as you can see. Our model is ready. Let's check our model by using sections 3D view. Thank you for watching our Scan to BIM video series. Stay tuned for our next series with new and exciting topics.